Hello, friends. How are you all? Please stay at home and be safe. Welcome to Sri Spoken English. This is Srinivas and this video lesson 101. Friends, this video is very much helpful to all the competitive exams as well as academic exams. This video lesson is about practice bits on tenses in English grammar. You will have such type of practice bits in all kind of competitive exams. They will give like this directions. Fill the correct answer from the alternatives given. First one, birds dash nests, and we will have four options here, friends. First one, build, builds, built, or building. And friends, it's a good opportunity for you to check your English grammar and your knowledge in English grammar and keep your answer in your mind, and after every question I will tell the answer. Okay, after reading the four options of every question I will tell the answer. Yeah, check it yourself. So the first one, birds dash nests, build. First one, A, build, builds, built, or building. So which is the right answer? Can you guess? Yes, the right answer, A, build. Why? Because birds dash nests. This is their daily activities. So which tense is it? It is a simple present tense, right? Present simple tense. And here the verb takes as base form or base S to the base form. If the subject is singular, definitely builds will come. If the subject is plural, definitely the main verb build, only build. So right answer, A. Yes, next we can go to the second one, the most important bit in every competitive exam. The earth dash round the sun, revolve, revolves, will revolve, is revolving. Which is the right answer, friend? A or B, C, D? Yes, the right answer is B, revolves, because it is universal truth. We can treat this type of tense is same simple present tense. The simple present tense, what is the main verb structure? Yes, base form or S to the base form of the verb. Base form means verb 1, verb first form. Revolve, the subject is singular, it can take S. Okay, revolves, right answer, the earth revolves around the sun. Next, third one, he won't come unless you dash him. He won't come. Here, probable condition, unless. Okay, friends. So, he won't come. Won't means will plus not. He will not come unless you dash him. Here, we have some options. Yeah, four options. Call, will call, calls, called. He won't come unless you call him. Right answer, A. Yes. Next we move. Fourth one. He was dash blind. Very important, friends. He was dash blind. So which verb will take here? Bonny, born, bid, bear. So the right answer, he was born blind. B is the right answer. Next we move on to the fifth one, friends. When the headmaster entered into the class, a student dash on the blackboard. So which options we have here? Is writing, was writing, wrote, writes. When the headmaster entered the class, a student dash on the blackboard. So which is the right answer? Yes. Right answer is B. Was writing. A student was writing. Friends, here two actions occurred in the sentence, right? When the headmaster entered the class, a student what the student is doing here? He was writing on the blackboard, which means which is the earlier action, which is the secondary action here? Earlier action, he was writing. So we can use the past continuous tense for the earlier action. So that was writing is the correct answer. Next, the secondary action take simple past tense. That means the headmaster entered. V2, verb 2. So already here given in the first sentence, the headmaster entered the class. When the headmaster entered the class, that is the secondary action. So that it takes the simple past tense V2, verb 2, and the secondary earlier action we can say in the past continuous, so that was writing. A student is a singular, so that we can say was writing. It is not present tense, so that we don't write the is writing. It was the past continuous. We have to choose the B option. Okay friends, next, sixth one. When we dash the station, the train dashed the platform already. And it's most important friends, we may have so many examinations such type of bits. When we dash the station, reach the station, or reached the station, or will reach the station, and the train dashed the platform already. So which is the right? A. Reach, left, reached, leave, reach, has left, reached, reached, had left, reached, had left. So when we reached the station, the train had left. Right answer D. Excellent. So such type of questions we will have in many competitive exams friends. Be ready. And in this video lesson, through these important bits, I am giving a clear explanation regarding all the tenses. Yes, we can move on to the next one. Seventh one, very simple question. Dinesh dash rice every day. What is the verb form here? Eat, ate, eats, has eaten. So what is the question once again? Dinesh dash rice every day. Every day. Friends, I would like to give you here one important clue. Every day. So this is the every day. Based on the keyword, we can identify this tense is a simple present tense or present simple tense. So that every day, every week, frequently, regularly, always, these keywords indicate it is present simple tense. So that verb base form will taken. That means verb first form plus, sometimes if the subject is singular, verb base form plus yes. So right answer, eats. Right answer, Dinesh eats rice every day. This is the most important bit friends. Yes, let us move on to the next one. Look, the crow dash on the tree. Look, the crow dash on the tree. The crow sit, the crow sat, the crow is sitting, the crow has sat. Which is the right friends? The right answer, C. Because here again I would like to give you one more clue. Look. Such type of words. Look, listen, see. See, he is coming. Listen, it's sounding. So V1 plus ing form, it is present continuous tense friends. Such type of words refer, this is the present continuous tense. What is the structure? Is, am, are plus V1 ing form. So the crow is a singular, is sitting is the right answer. C. Next one, ninth one, friends. Radha dash Rani well. They dash at the market every Sunday. Again here we can find out every Sunday. That means simple present tense. Every Sunday, every month, every year. That means habitual actions, daily actions. Okay, yes. Daily actions means Radha dash Rani well. Radha know well, knows well, knew well. Yes, Radha knows well. So here B, D, the same options. Yes, the same options having B and D. And what is the second verb? They dash at the market every Sunday. Yes, it is also simple present tense. So they meets or meet. Is it meets? No, because it is plural. It takes only V1 form, not S form. So right answer D. So ninth question, D. So friends, by these questions we will learn automatically all the tenses and its structures. We can move the 10th one. She dashed the project for 3 days. She dashed the project for 3 days. Identify. Options are does, did, has been, doing, has done. Friends, can you identify which tense is? Yes, here one clue about for and since. Since and for, we can use these keywords in the present continuous tense. What is the structure of the present continuous tense? Yes, has been or have been, V1 plus ing form. So has been or have been, which one we should use here? If it is singular, has been. If the subject is plural, have been, it becomes have been. Is it singular or plural? Yes, singular. She has been doing the project for 3 days. Right answer? C. Exactly. Yes, we can move on to the next one. 11th one, Hema dash Ganesh very well. The same tense here. Hema knew, know, knows. Hema knows Ganesh very well. Right answer? C. Yes. Next we can move on to the 12th one. Mohan and Rani dash for a movie yesterday. Friends, here the keyword is yesterday. We can identify by this keyword. Simply it is simple past tense. What is the simple past tense? Yes, the verb is second form, V2. Which is the V2 here? Go, no, goes, no, went, go, went, gone. Yes, this is the right answer. Mohan and Rani went for a movie yesterday. For simple past tense, we can use simply verb second form. This is the simple past tense. Yes, let us move on to the 13th question. Mr. Agarwal dash a new car a few days ago. A few days ago also a simple past tense, right? So the verb will take second form. Buy, bought, buys, had bought. Which is the right answer? Buy, bought. So right answer, bought. Mr. Agarwal bought a new car a few days ago. Next, 14th one. When she dash someone knock at the door. When she cook or cooks. When she cooks here, first option. Second, when she was cooking and she heard someone knock at the door. When she cooked and was hearing. And she was cooking, she was hearing. So which is the right answer? Actually, these are the two actions occurred in the past tense, right? So which is the earlier action? Yes, she was cooking. She was cooking. After that, she heard a noise at the door. So right answer B. She was cooking. She heard someone knock at the door. Next, 15th one. His teeth dash dirty. Everyone will confuse here. Friends, don't be confused here. His teeth. Is it singular or plural? Yes, plural, it's not singular. So the subject his teeth are the plural, so obviously it can take are. His teeth are dirty, that means present tense. Don't disturb, 16th one, don't disturb me. I dash my homework. I do my homework. I did my homework. I am doing my homework. I was doing my homework. Don't disturb me. Is it present tense or past tense? Yes, present tense. Don't disturb me. I am doing my homework. Right answer? C. Exactly, friends. Next, we can move on to the 17th one. The minister dashed the foundation stone of the new school. The minister laid the foundation stone. Laying, foundation stone, laid or laid. Which is the right answer? Laid. Yes. The minister laid the foundation stone of the new school. Simply, it is simple past tense. Next, she jumped off the bus while it dashed. She jumped off the bus while it. So again, two actions occurred here. Two actions happening in the past tense. She jumped off. That means already V2, simple past tense, we can found here. And what is the second one? Yes, past continuous. What is the past continuous structure? Was plus was or were plus V1 ing form. Here she is the singular, so we can use was only. So right answer, was moving. Excellent. She was moving. She jumped off the bus while it was moving. Next, 19th one, the cow has dash twins. It's a twisted bit, friends. Don't be confused here. The cow has dash twins. Bow twins, bone twins, bonnet twins, bean bone twins. Which is the right answer? Yes, the cow has bone twins. B is the right answer. The last one, 20th one, he dashed in Hyderabad since 2009. Options are, he had been living in Hyderabad, he has been living in Hyderabad, he has been lived in Hyderabad, had lived in Hyderabad, which is actually since. Again, I already told you, since and for, these two keywords are indicated. Which tense is it? It is present continuous tense. So that, because still he is living in Hyderabad, so that the action is started in the past, still it is going on. So that subject is singular. He has been living in Hyderabad since 2007. So that still he is living in there. So it is present perfect continuous tense. Has been V1 ing form, living in Hyderabad. So friends, like this we can practice more and more and get complete marks in English grammar. I wish you all the success, and if you like my effort, please like the like button and please subscribe our channel for more latest videos. Thank you very much for your valuable time, and catch you later